To my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are examining Molton Brown's Discovery Kit. Okay, beautiful bottles. Before we get into any of the bottles, we need to know what that scent profile is like. You know, before we put it on display, we got a couple examples here of what they have to offer. Like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of Molton Brown's house. We're gonna get straight into this. All right, we're gonna get straight into this. We have wild mint and lavender. Lavandin, excuse me. Wild mint and lavandin. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and sheathe this thing. Look at that. Yeah. Trying to make sure I got the right vial. Yes, this is it. Okay, so it's a lavender fragrance. I didn't expect it to be too dark. You know, I wasn't expecting the dark night here, but it looks like it's very light. So we're gonna go ahead. Yeah, I just sprayed recharge pepper. Check that video out. This is something else. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this into the spirit right about here. Oh, these atomizers are strong, man. Oh. Okay, starting off a little funky. We got fresh spice, green, aromatic, woodsy, and vanilla. Okay. Whoa, this is like spearmint gum. Yo, double mint gum. This is something. Okay, I'm liking this house. I'm excited. I'm liking this house, man. I'm liking this house. Okay, let's get into the notes. You got mint. In the middle notes, you got nutmeg, Orris root. Never heard of that. What's an Orris root? You got, in the base, woodsy notes and Tonka bean. This is not something that is overly complicated. You can, oh man, this smells beautiful. Wow. Where's the lavender? There's no lavandin in here. I thought there was going to be some lavender. I really like this. I'm confused. I don't like mint. Okay, so if you saw my review on the Sunday's Ege, it has a mint note in it, and this is definitely different. But it's sweet. It's sweet. That's got to be the nutmeg and the Tonka bean. But it's got some bass. You know, that woody, those woody notes, whatever that is. It's not necessarily anything specific. I don't know if it's vetiver. I don't know, you know. I would say it leans slightly feminine, but only slightly. Yeah, this is for women and men. I mean, I'm sorry. I like it. It's very strong. The mint is very forward. The nutmeg gives it it rounds it out a little bit. It doesn't have that harsh, you know, mint is kind of stringent, you know, and so I feel like the nutmeg is rounding it off a little bit, you know, making it a little bit more supple, making it a little bit more, you know, just tender, you know? Ah, yes. And then in the Tonka bean, I think in the Tonka bean woody notes, that's what gives it that masculine appeal, in my opinion. How much lifting is the Orris root doing? Don't know. That is a new note. I like this. I like it. It's beautiful. I don't like the dry down as much as I like the opening. The opening was remarkable, but this is a nice fragrance. I like it. Man. Wild mint and lavandin. Have you guys tried this? What do you think? Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the review or the blind buy. Not bad, not bad. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.